Have you ever wondered how gravity affects the materials we use every day? On Earth, gravity shapes everything, from the way flames dance to how molecules bond. But in space, the rules change dramatically. Without gravity's pull, we can create revolutionary materials that aren't possible on Earth. And that's exactly what some bold startups are doing. Take Varda Space Industries, for example. Founded in 2020 by SpaceX veteran Will Brewy and entrepreneur Delian Asparohov, this innovative company has raised $54 million to turn the dream of space manufacturing into reality. Their vision? A fully automated manufacturing facility in space, complete with its own re-entry vehicle to bring those materials back to Earth. As Brewy puts it, gravity is a fundamental force that limits what we can achieve on Earth. In space, we can manipulate chemical systems in ways that were once unimaginable. This shift to private space ventures has exploded in recent years, thanks to falling costs for manufacturing, launching, and operating satellites. The space economy grew by 8% last year, reaching $464 billion, and experts predict it will hit $737 billion within a decade. A key part of this boom is off-planet manufacturing, which has shown incredible potential in microgravity environments. So, what can we make in space that's so special? Materials like fiber optics and semiconductors can be manufactured with far fewer defects in microgravity. Pharmaceuticals, however, are where Varda is starting. Gravity often limits the development of drugs, forcing many effective treatments to be delivered through injections or dismissed altogether because no viable formulation exists. But in space, microgravity opens up new possibilities. Drugs that were once only injectable might become easy-to-swallow pills, and dosages could be reduced from several pills a week to just one. Even forgotten drug candidates, previously abandoned due to earthbound constraints, could find new life in orbit. In June, Varda launched its first demonstration mission. Using a SpaceX rideshare rocket, their spacecraft went into low Earth orbit to test automated chemical processes. The next step? Returning the spacecraft to Earth via parachute, a crucial milestone in proving their technology works. Looking ahead, Varda has ambitious plans. Within 5 years, they aim to operate hundreds of automated manufacturing facilities in orbit. Once spaceflight costs drop even further, the company plans to tackle high-tech industries like computer chips and fiber optics. And their ultimate goal? A manned space factory, bustling with thousands of workers orbiting Earth. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.